Okay, so yesterday you started working on a paragraph about Ha. So what I've done so that you can continue to work on that today before lunch is that I've written a sample paragraph for you. I've given you, if you look in the blue is everything that you are going to keep for your own paragraph. And then I'm going to read this paragraph to you. So it says, in the book Inside Out and Back Again, Ha's mother is very traditional. In the text it says, Mother warns how we act today foretells the whole year. Page 1. According to Vietnamese tradition, how a person acts on Tet, the Vietnamese New Year, will determine what kind of year you have. Ha's mother obviously believes this because she is warning her children about it. The text also says, Mother insisted one of my brothers must rise first this morning to bless our house because only male feet can bring luck. Page 2. This is another Vietnamese belief, that a boy has to touch the floor first on Tet, so she has told Ha that she cannot be the first to get up in the morning. Lastly, the text says, Mother prepares an altar to chant for his return. Page 12. Ha's mother has created an altar for her husband, Ha's father. This is probably a religious or Tet tradition that Ha's mother is following, which is another example that shows Ha's mother is traditional. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be starting out with this sentence, and then you're going to use Ha instead of Ha's mother, and then you're going to put whatever characteristic you think fits Ha. Then you're going to include in the text it says, and then you'll notice that I've put quotation marks around the exact quote from the book, and I've listed what page it comes from. Now the next part have to be your own words. So you'll notice this part, and you'll notice it's 2 sentences, yours might only be 1, tells how I know that this quote supports the idea that Ha's mother is very traditional. And then I've simply done that 2 more times. So the text also says, here's another quote, and then here is my thinking about how that shows that she is traditional. It's not enough to simply quote from the poem. You also have to tell your own thinking and how you know that that is evidence or proof. And then here's my last one. Lastly, the text says, I've included another quote here. And then, again, here's my thinking about how this shows that she's traditional. So what I want you to do is to do a paragraph similar to this, but describing Ha.